My name is Irish Faith Argalos from Best Ed Science 2. Okay, so here are the list of 20 amino acids together with abbreviations and symbols. A is for ALA, alanine. R is for ARG, arginine. N is for ASN, asparagine. D is for ASP, aspartic acid. C is for CYS, cysteine. E is for GLU or glue, glutamic acid. Q is for gene, glutamine. G is for GLY or GLY, glycine. H is for HIS or histidine. So, and I is for ILE, isoleucine ba to? L is for leucine, leucine. K is for lysine, LYS. M is for MET or methionine. F is for Fe, phenylalanine. P is for PRO or proline. S is for SER, serine. T is for THR, threonine. Then W is for TRP, tryptophan. Y is for TYR, tyrosine. And V is for valvaline.